So if you want a shower, it has to be exceptional.
Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we are in Maplewood, New Jersey, showcasing a corner shower installation, polished chrome hardware. We've used U-channel for this particular application just for a cost perspective as far as for the client's request. And that's a 8-inch two-wheeler handle. And what makes this one a little more unique is obviously this is called a dog leg in layman's terms. And then over here we have the sloped ceiling. Here, as you see, it's a really nice fit. And the gap is intentional, merely so that we can get some hardware up there. And yes, we could have used a drill through clamp, but it wasn't necessary. And again, we're using U-channel for a cost, I guess, for just a more economical version. I mean, of course, using clamps in a bunch of different places will just add to the pricing. So we wanted to keep everything as economical as possible. So this is how it looks, and it does look good. And aside from that, it's a top over sleeve clamp. The cool thing about these clamps is that after the silicone is dried here on the joint, you can actually physically take that off and then make a more frameless look. And oh yeah, for you Captain Obviouses that are going to comment, yes, the tape is included, and it's just holding the seams together while the silicone dries. I get a lot of those comments. And that's it. Alright, again, this was Ben from Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. If you need one of these, give us a call or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.